fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette and I am a member of the Not2Shabby Shop design team. Today I'm going to be making some cards using the Warm Winter Wishes from the Paper Pad Club, as well as the Warm Winter Friends add-on ephemera. And I decided I would make some cards using this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch. So this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch does call for 12 by 12 pattern paper, but I'm going to make it work with a 6 by 6 pattern paper. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the papers I'm going to choose from. I might use the back of this one. I don't know. It's hard for me to cut into the pages that have those wonderful cutouts. So if I use this paper for the reverse side, I'll be losing all these adorable bunny images. So I'm not going to make the full sheet load today, but I am going to make a few cards. So the full sheet load yields 8 cards. I think I'll make 4 today, and I'll need 1 sheet of 6 by 6 paper for each card. So what to do? I really do like all these pretty poinsettia images. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with, and let me look at the reverse side. I think these 4 are gonna be my choices. None of these are directional, so I don't have to be too worried about how I am cutting. Okay, so first off, we need a piece that is 4 inches wide by 5 1/4. And I'll save this piece for the inside. And then we need 3 pieces that are 4 3/4 by 1/2 inch. So I'm going to trim the 4 3/4 first, and then go at 1/2 inch. So 1, 2, and 3. And I want to keep them in the order that I cut them so that it'll look like it's just one continuous pattern with some breaks in between. So let me cut my other 3 sheets of pattern paper.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter.
All right, so I have my pieces all cut. Now I kind of got to decide which design I want as my main panel and which one I want as the strips.
I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Okay, so I have this cardstock that I think would go perfectly. So let me cut this at 5 to start with.
All the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me?
We can kind kind of start to assemble. So let me get some card bases and we can start assembling as soon as I decide on which ephemera to use. Okay friends, I've cut out my 4 circles out of craft colored cardstock. So let me decide which sentiment, because I'll be placing our little pieces of ephemera off to the right. So let me take a quick peek at which sentiment would fit nicely there. Wishes. I think I want to use warm winter wishes. That's what I want to use.
In this winter wonderland. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. The snow is falling down I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland, chilling by the fire as I'm trying.
Alrighty friends, here are my 4 completed cards using this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch and the beautiful papers from the Warm Winter Wishes paper pad, as well as the coordinating ephemera from the Warm Winter Friends ephemera pack. I just love the colors. They're so warm and inviting. And look at this cute little mouse in the inside of that one. This one, we have a little owl. I love when there's cute little critter ephemera. This one has a little squirrel. And then this one has a little bird. Look how pretty they all turned out. Oh, I love them. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
From across the room, my heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love